Do you yearn for a lifestyle where you can earn income effortlessly while you're asleep? Well, what if we told you there's a way to turn that dream into reality? Meet ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI language model that is about to change the game. With ChatGPT, you can unlock the power of passive income by creating ebooks that sell like hotcakes. Imagine waking up to a steady stream of income, all generated from your AI-powered creations. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how ChatGPT can help you tap into the lucrative world of ebook publishing. Get ready to say hello to a life of limitless potential. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the secrets of generating passive income with ChatGPT. Are you prepared to start this thrilling journey? Let's dive right in. Before we get started, let me quickly update you on the ebook market. Ebooks are selling like hotcakes in today's digital era. With the rise of e-readers, tablets, and smartphones, readers are embracing the convenience and accessibility of ebooks. In fact, according to recent industry reports, ebook sales have experienced steady growth, with millions of ebooks being sold worldwide each year. It's an incredibly lucrative market waiting for you to tap into. Now that you know the potential of the ebook market, let's explore how much you can earn. The amount you earn from ebook sales depends on various factors, such as the platform you choose, the price you set, and the demand for your content. Let's do a quick computation to give you an idea. Imagine you make the choice to sell your ebook for $9.99 on a well-known platform such as Amazon Kindle, which provides a 70% royalty rate for ebooks priced between $2.99 and $9.99. For each sale, you would earn approximately $6.99. Now, let's say you manage to sell 100 copies in the first month. That would amount to $699 in passive income. And here's the exciting part. Once your ebook is published and available for purchase, it can continue to generate income month after month, year after year, without requiring any additional effort on your part. As more readers discover your ebook and recommend it to others, your sales can multiply, resulting in a substantial passive income stream. Now that you know the earning potential of ebooks, let's see how ChatGPT can help you create your own money-making masterpiece. Alright, let's fire up ChatGPT and see what it can do. First, we'll need to outline the topic of our ebook. For this demonstration, let's go with Mastering Social Media Marketing. Now, we simply provide ChatGPT with a brief description of the content we want to include in the ebook. Once we've entered the description, ChatGPT starts working its magic. It generates a comprehensive outline for our ebook, complete with chapter titles, subheadings, and even suggested content for each section. Wow, look at that! In just a matter of seconds, ChatGPT has given us a solid structure for our ebook. But we're not done yet. We need to add our personal touch to make it truly unique and captivating. Let's move on to the next step. Now that we have the outline, it's time to bring our ebook to life. We'll use our creativity and expertise to flesh out each chapter and add engaging content. Don't worry if you're not a professional writer. ChatGPT is here to assist us throughout the process. As we work on each chapter, we consult ChatGPT for suggestions, ideas, and even writing assistance. It's like having an AI co-author by our side, making the process both efficient and enjoyable. With ChatGPT's help, we can refine our writing, make it more compelling, and ensure that the ebook is truly valuable for its readers. It's like having an editor and a writing mentor all rolled into one. Once we're happy with the content, it's time to move on to the next crucial step, designing our ebook cover. A captivating cover can make all the difference in attracting readers and driving sales. And guess what? There are various AI platforms available that can assist us in generating images for our cover, such as OpenAI's DALL-E, Jasper Art, Deep AI, Starry AI, and more. By providing these AI platforms with some information about our ebook, such as the title, subtitle, and desired visual style, it generates multiple design options for our cover. We can customize the colors, fonts, and even experiment with different layouts until we find the perfect one that captures the essence of our content. Thanks to the power of AI, we can create a stunning, professional-looking ebook cover without any graphic design skills. It's like having a talented designer as our virtual assistant. Now that we have our ebook content ready and a visually appealing cover, it's time for the final step, monetizing our creation and generating passive income. There are various platforms available where you can sell your ebooks, such as Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, and many more. Once you've chosen the platform, simply follow their guidelines to upload your ebook, set the price, and start promoting it. And remember, the power of social media and online communities can play a crucial role in spreading the word about your ebook and driving sales. And there you have it, folks. With the help of ChatGPT, we've transformed our AI-powered ideas into a valuable ebook and created a potential stream of passive income. So what are you waiting for? Start unleashing your creativity, harness the power of ChatGPT, and turn your knowledge into profit. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, keep creating and keep generating that passive income. Until next time.